Alright, welcome. I wanted to give you a little tutorial about how to get to your Google Drive using your school account. Now, if you've successfully linked those two accounts as I've directed you to do above, then you are ready to take a look at the Google Drive and start actively using it. Now, some of you may already actively use the Google Drive, in which case you don't really necessarily need this tutorial. But also some students get confused between their personal Google account and the school Google account, and they are very different. What you've linked here with the D2L is your school account. So if you've successfully done that, then you can navigate to the course home page. When you are on the left-hand side and you navigate down, you will see link to your Google Apps account. If you see this, then you have done it successfully, because you can see this little triangle, and all you have to do is to click on it and it will take you to the Google Drive. I know that I'm logged in because up here on the right-hand side I can see that I am logged in as me. And here is my drive. A couple of areas that I want to point out about this drive. My drive is where all your files will be stored, and shared with me is where I'm going to set up your Google site for your digital portfolio. So you should be able to access that file under shared with me. But if you've never used Google Drive, you can the main place that you navigate to is My Drive, and you click on New Folder, Upload Files, New Files, etc. These are your options. And another key feature about My Drive is when you do navigate to a new file, let's just go to Google Doc, open a Google Doc. It automatically opens a new document. And the key, interesting, cool feature, as far as I'm concerned, is have a nice day, happy face. Another cool feature of this is it automatically saved. All changes are saved in Drive, so there's no actively going back and saving it to make sure that everything's been changed. So it is automatically saved. It will find it. I'm going to name it Have a Nice Day. I'm going to put it up here in the title, Have a Nice Day. And if I exit out of this particular drive, go back to the home page, go back into my drive. You can see I've got tons and tons of tabs open, as you can see. A little bit insane, but nevertheless. So open it up. As you can see, the file that I have just started comes up here, Have a Nice Day. So it's automatically saved. I don't have to do anything. It saves as it goes. So that's just a very quick tutorial. I will be adding more as we move along in terms of how to save things and move things into your digital portfolio that you'll be creating, and a whole bunch of really cool, neat features that are integrated into Google Drive. So that's it for now. Have a good day.